What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to change the battery in a Toyota Smart Key. In this case, it's for the Toyota Sienna. First thing you're going to do is pick it up. On the side there's a little push button. Push that button, remove the physical key. Then on the end you'll notice there's a slot there. Place the physical key into that slot. Give it a slight twist. The case should split in half. Open the case. You'll see a circuit board there. Remove the circuit board. You'll see the batteries on the back side. Pry the battery out. Then insert the new battery and make sure the two tabs click down on the end. I'll leave a link for this battery in the description below. Then reinsert the circuit board. Just make sure you have this going the correct direction. Then take the other half of the case, put it on top, and snap it back together. Once it clicks back together, the last thing you're going to do is insert the physical key, and you're all set. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Also check out all my other Sienna maintenance videos. We'll see you in the next one.